Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to assemble your Acrylic Lucite toilet paper holder, step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts from your kit. Your kit includes a modern open post, cylinder finial, an Allen key, grub screws, mounting screws, and acrylic rod. Begin by sliding in the open post and the cylinder finial into the acrylic tube. Once they're in position, secure the post connection by tightening the grub screw. Repeat the same with the finial. Next, determine and measure the location where you want to install the holder. Hold the paper holder against the wall and mark the screw holes with a pencil. Drill at the marked points. Place the paper holder back on the wall and insert one screw to hold it in place. Use a level to check that everything is straight and make any adjustment needed. When you're satisfied with the alignment, tighten the remaining screw to fully secure the paper holder. And that's it. Your Acrylic Lucite toilet paper holder is now assembled and ready to use. With few simple steps, and you're all set.